Hey guys, what's up? Tech Flash here. Okay, so today we have what I consider a bit of an exclusive device because the phone in hand is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Yeah, that name is a bit of a handful, but this is an exclusive device because although it was announced a few days back, this phone is currently not globally available. In fact, the unit that I have in my hand today is the Chinese variant. The global variant may actually come under a different name, which may be the Xiaomi Mi 11i or the Poco X4. We can see the Mi branding here, and on the back side we actually see the Redmi branding as well. I should also mention that apart from this phone, there is also the regular Redmi Note 11 Pro, which is the exact same device as the one we have here, with the difference in the battery size and charging speed. So this video technically is covering two devices. Opening up the box, we have the 8GB variant in hand today, and the first thing we see is the Redmi booklet, which if you notice no longer has the Mi branding because Redmi is now operating as a separate company in China. And even here below where it used to say powered by Xiaomi, it now says powered by Redmi. Opening up the booklet, we get the same old SIM ejector pin and paperwork. We'll jump right to the phone and turn it on, and while we wait for that, I'll show you what is probably the biggest highlight of this phone, which is this massive 120 watt power brick that you get in the box. And one thing to note here is that this actually comes with a USB-A port rather than the usual USB-C, which kind of makes this charger a bit less universal, you could say, and I'm not really too sure why Xiaomi would do that. With that, we also get the cable, which again is a USB-A to USB-C. Coming back to the device, we get to see an AMOLED display here with 120Hz display, which is a big upgrade from the previous generation where we had an LCD display. And also the punch hole camera is a bit smaller, again thanks to the AMOLED display. Design wise, we get a flatter profile, which if you squint your eyes, it kind of makes it look like an iPhone. No, kind of. Okay, on the back, the camera module, which has a triple camera setup, makes it look like it has way more cameras, but it just has three, with the main one having a 108 megapixel sensor. On the top, we have our headphone jack alongside the speaker grill, which is powered by both JBL and Harman Kardon, so that's something. Anyway, the interesting part here is the processor, and this time we are seeing kind of a downgrade, which is weird, but it is true. We saw the Dimensity 1100U chip in the previous generation of this device, and this time we get to see the Dimensity 920. Now, I don't know why they did that, or if they plan to do that with the global units as well. My assumption is that this is only being done on the Chinese variant, and maybe it also has to do with the chip shortage that is going on. If we look at the Antutu benchmark scores, we get to see around 420,000 points, which for comparison's sake would be around the same score that you would get on a Pixel 4. Concluding who this phone would be for, well, if you are not into top performance and just want a phone with a decent camera, a good display, and an overall pretty decent looking design, then this is the phone for you. In no way is this phone slow, but it's not a phone that would give you outstanding performance. Anyways, let's see what the global version of this phone comes out with. I believe in India this may also come out as the Mi 11i. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this phone down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, and a big thank you to everyone that watches my videos. Do consider subscribing if you enjoy my content. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.